5% move in the market, and in my opinion, there is more to come. Now, you might get a bargain. The market cooling off just a little bit after that Trump inauguration, but XRP set for some big things. Why? Well, what's the CME futures talking about? Is this legitimate? Because if it is, well, XRP is about to get crazy. We'll also talk about what's coming next for the US, particularly when we start to look towards a February market pump. All of that in this video. Make sure you check out the links in the description. And as always, hit the like and subscribe button if you want to stay up to date with everything in this bull market. That being said, let's get into this video. So what's on everybody's mind? The Sol and XRP futures on the CME group. Now, just for absolute clarity, this has not been confirmed as being true yet. We know this was allegedly on the beta test site. It kind of doesn't make sense. James Seffret from Bloomberg is looking into it. We don't actually have a full announcement, but the reality here is it's an incredibly big fake if that's true. What would this mean though? Let's forget about the fact that this could be happening. What would this actually mean? Well, it legitimizes once again XRP and Solana. It absolutely opens up the door for further institutional investment. Think about it. Trade regulated, capital efficient futures on two leading cryptocurrencies with new Sol and XRP futures launching February 10th, available in both standard and micro-sized contracts. These contracts allow you to scale your exposure and manage risk with greater precision and flexibility. So the reality here is that you are getting institutional investment into these under the umbrella of a regulatory clarity. And I think this is important to reference. This ultimately, though, being under the CFTC, and you can tailor positions that absolutely are standard and micro-sized Sol and XRP. We'll try and keep you updated as how this plays out. I actually think that, well, the reality is this could be true. And you think about ETFs being filed, you think about the fact that we now have a new SEC chair, and I talked about this last night, the crypto task force headed up by Commissioner Hester Pierce, then this absolutely aligns. Why wouldn't there be more exposure for institutional investment? You can see here, Ripple is up 3% on Wednesday after the Securities and Exchange Commission announced the formation of a new cryptocurrency task force responsible for developing a more comprehensive framework for digital assets. Now, like I said, I talked yesterday, we saw Brad Garlinghouse and Stuart Aldersley both at the VP dinner. This obviously could be very important longer term as to how this all plays out. But we'll keep you posted on this. I hope that it's true. I think this will be incredibly bullish, not only just for XRP, but for the wider market as well. Now, what are we talking about in terms of, well, the move as well? You've got a very, very big catalyst, which is the CME group, but you've also got some key price levels. The third largest cryptocurrency by market cap declined to 313, currently around 316, ahead of news going live, but jumped about 5% within minutes to the 328 and has retraced slightly since. We've seen with the Solana meme coin Trump, lots of liquidity being sucked out of altcoins. And reality is, if they're not moving, generally people are moving their capital around. But I think that is not a good idea. XRP for me, two big narratives coming. If this CME news is true, that's big. And like we said, are we truly going to get the SEC removal? I think it's never been more likely that the SEC case will be dropped. We are looking, however, from a technical standpoint of a break above 322 with that bullish momentum over to 350. This could be a big deal. Currently priced in at 316. We have a trading volume decreasing, but the coin recently tested key support and resistance, including the critical 310, and bounced incredibly well up to that 322 line. Look out for $3.30 and then potentially an uptrend to 350. That would signify a significant break for XRP. And if you think about it, with all of those catalysts sitting behind it, all the positive news, then this can only be bullish. You take a look at price action right now, Bitcoin down about 2.2%. Well, guess what? XRP holding up at 20.25%. And this is a very good trend to the upside, volume coming in. And I think the reality is we're on some very interesting key test marks for XRP right now. If you take a look at what we've done previous, with this nice market move, you see we retested the high ranges and then came down to retest that 289 level with that then potential bounce more to the upside. So look out, 350. We talked about it. That 330 that we currently retested this high range and then up to the 350 could be a strong catalyst for XRP. And I think you're going to see this breakout pretty soon. Keep close to the CME news. Obviously, if you follow me on X, we'll break that as soon as that comes down, but watch out. XRP, in my opinion, set for a big move, and I'm sure there will be even more catalysts coming to talk about over the course of the next couple of days. So make sure you're dialed into this channel, you've hit that subscribe button, you've turned your notification bell on, you're not going to miss a beat. And remember, if you're part of the XR community, you smash up that like button. Let's share this far and wide so that everybody knows what's going on with Ripple and XRP. And guess what? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.